Okay, so I'm presenting on quantum computers and basically all this money that's being invested into the research and development into quantum technology by big companies and governments. What are quantum computers? A computer that makes use of the quantum states of subatomic particles to store information. Quantum computers have the potential to perform certain calculations significantly faster than any silicon-based computer. Today's computers basically work by manipulating bits that exist in one of two states, a 0 or 1. Quantum computers aren't limited to two states. They encode information as quantum bits or qubits, which can exist in superposition. Because a quantum computer can contain these multiple states simultaneously, it has potential to be a million times more powerful and faster than today's most powerful supercomputers. And basically, because of this advantage, there's a variety of functions that can be used for quantum computers that might not be able to be used in regular computers, such as Monte Carlo simulations, which are useful for stock market and other business predictions. Some breaking technology and drug development, materials research, cryptography, weather forecasts, military defense, and space exploration. And I will be going into detail in some of these areas shortly. Quantum-based technical stock market analysis could be coming to Wall Street very soon. This technology will assess the most probable outcome for the market in any instance, such that the potential trader can choose to trade the most probable future state of the market. A quantum computer would be able to map out trillions of molecular combinations and quickly identify the ones that would most likely work, significantly cutting down the cost and the time of drug development. Quantum computing could also sequence and analyze a person's genes much faster than the methods we have now, and that could also help make personalized drugs and healthcare more available to the masses. Quantum computers could make it much easier to break the encrypted messages that we have now. Some of Edward Snowden's leaked documents from the NSA describe the agency's plan to develop quantum computers to do just that. According to documents provided by former NSA contractor Edward Snowden, the effort to build a cryptologically useful quantum computer, a machine exponentially faster than classical computers, is part of a $79.7 million research program titled Penetrating Hard Targets. NASA currently uses quantum computing machines called D-Wave systems, which basically help it research better and safer methods of space travel, air traffic controls, and missions involving sending robots to far off places. Quantum computation and quantum communication would permit precise logistics support to future Army forces and allow for an enormously high level of control over an integrated deployment, distribution, and sustainment system. In the area of telepresence, there may be a role for emerging quantum technologies such as quantum robots. As of just days ago, October 5th, 2015, there was a major breakthrough in quantum technology and a possible solution to a crucial hurdle. Up until now, no one was able to make two qubits talk to each other using a silicon chip. Some attempts proved successful, but using exotic methods and materials such as diamonds. But now that they're using silicon chips to make the qubits communicate, it's becoming more affordable and more accessible, and the future looks brighter. Here's a quick glance at the massive amounts of money by these huge players that's being invested into quantum technology. The bottom line is that regular computers have to solve one problem at a time in sequence, but quantum computers can solve multiple problems at the same time. That kind of speed has the potential to revolutionize entire industries.